You scoop with the spoon. Good job! You scooped all by yourself, Parker. Don't blow your yogurt. There you go. Delicious. Delicious yogurt. You gonna scoop it? You do it yourself? You can do it. Good job! Good scoop, Parker! No, no, you can do it yourself. What a good scoop! Good job! That was a big one. Good job! Good job! Scoop. Good job, Parker. Good scooping. Good scooping.